In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the verification code not being received on your phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, whether you're on iPhone or Android, let's say you're waiting for a verification code from somewhere, it can be really annoying if you're just not getting it or anything like that. So it's actually very easy to fix this. Firstly, swipe down. Make sure you're not on a do not disturb mode, anything like that, because if you are, you're not going to be getting notifications. Secondly, make sure you're not on airplane mode, like so. You want to be off airplane mode, and literally you might already have the message, but your notifications might have been off. So if you just go over to the messages app, you might already see the code right here. Now, if it's not here, what you want to do is go over to your settings application, like so, scroll down, and you're going to find apps at the very bottom. Click on that and then search up messages. So I'm going to find it. Messages is going to look like this. From here, I want to scroll down and basically I want to go ahead and find my blocked list. So once I go and find blocked contacts right there, I could check inside of blocked contacts to see if there's any number that's really short. Go ahead and unblock that because that might be the number that you might have previously blocked, but it might be the number that you need to receive the code from. The final thing you could do is on your phone, check spam. So I'm on my messages right now. Click on the top right and then click spam because the message might be in your spam and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.